Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to hide the price on product pages in Shopify without an app. This is my Shopify store, and as you can see, my product page now shows the discounted price, also the original price. To hide these two prices, it's simple. Simply start or simply go to shopify.com, click on login to log into your Shopify account. Now below says channels, click on online store and select themes. And next to your current theme, click on these three dots and select edit code. Now look for theme.liquid, and this is the file we are interested in. Click on it. Here, make sure you are working on the correct file. Just look at this file header. It should say theme.liquid. Now scroll down to the bottom, and before this closing body, add a single line or an empty line like that using the enter button. Just click on before body here and add and click on enter, and you will add a new line. All we need is a single empty line. And now go to my website, Ben's Experience, this page, and copy this piece of code. By the way, I will leave this page link in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Now go back to your Shopify page and paste your copied code just like that. I think it is better to add two lines or two empty lines instead of one, in order to easily locate our added code. Now this is what I've just pasted. Now click on save. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I said save it. Now, when I refresh this page, these two prices should disappear or should be hidden. Let's refresh the page, and just like that, no more pricing is showing in this product page in Shopify. And this is how to hide prices on the product page in Shopify without an app. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.